Hey y'all, it's Sim from Sin Super Savings, and if you're here, most of you know that I'm a full-time content creator and product reviewer, and I'm an Amazon influencer. And one thing that I always run into having issues with in my office space here is lighting. I never seem to have enough, and it never seems to be good enough, but I don't really have the space for a lot of big bulky things in here. It's a little room, but this is the area that I work in. So we're gonna check out these. These are LED motion sensor under cabinet lighting. So I thought for my shelving here, that would be a really good idea and an easy way to have things sort of backlit and showcased when I'm doing things. Now these do come with a USB rechargeable cord there, which is super handy. So like when I'm not using it, all I'm gonna have to do is like take it down and make sure that I've charged it recently. And these are super slim, but super bright. So before I get that far, oh, and you have different modes. But you can see even the lighting just from this little guy, it works great for video lighting versus nothing. So, I mean, it's rechargeable. You could stick that in your purse even. Best dang selfie light I've ever had. But anyway, so look, on the back here, you've got, I'm gonna try to not blind you with the light, these 3M little sticky magnetic pieces. So all I'm gonna have to do, we're gonna take it. I'm not gonna take them off there. I'm never gonna place right. So all I'm gonna do is take off the 3M there, and I'm gonna place it up here in the shelf. So you get an idea of all the shadows and things you see right there in the shelf with my little fuzzy backdrops here. So we're just gonna peel these off if I can get a hold of it. And I'm just gonna put it right up there and let it stick right to that shelf. And of course, I have no nails right now, so that sticky piece is giving me a little trouble. All right, but like installation's a breeze. Even if you have trouble like me with your nails not being long, you're gonna be able to peel that off there in no time. And if I had nails, we'd already be installed. But I literally just cut all my nails off because we've been working in the garden and stuff. So this is, there we go. So that easy. And while we're here, oh, look at that. I'm gonna put you right about there. And I'm just gonna press up, and there is a little bit of a film here across the top. We're just gonna pull that off. Check that out. There is still a little shadowing from the purchase here, of course, because I'm blocking light, but look how much brighter that shelf is just compared to this one. Like, you have, this shelf is actually bright white, and my walls are actually, for reference, a really light dusty gray. So in comparison, you can see like down here, the shelf looks off-white, and it's not, but that's because of the lighting. But up here, it's illuminated and it looks more accurate to what it really is. These are a really good value. And like I said, when I need to charge this, we're just gonna pop it down and plug it in for a little while, and then it's ready to go again. So I always have that little extra lighting that I need. Again, see, looking a little more off-white, a little more dingy, but put it back in its magnetic piece and bam, we're white again. So that's going to be really great. And this is great for somebody, like if you're building a social channel, maybe an Instagram or something, and you take pictures of things, these little lights are super handy, you know, to give you instant, you know, better photo quality lighting. And they're a really good value for the money. I highly recommend them if you're like me and looking for lighting solutions. These are also great for camping, power outage, you know, bug out bags or anything like that too, because they're rechargeable. You can take them on the go with you. Good value.